Hey everyone, Ajay Jadhav here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of manufacturing quality. Ever wonder how factories make sure their products are top-notch and meet the highest standards? Manufacturing quality is all about making sure stuff is built right and works perfectly every time, without fail. Think about your phone. It's made of tons of tiny parts, all working together flawlessly to give you a seamless experience. That's manufacturing quality in action, ensuring every component fits and functions as intended. From the sturdiness of the case to the clarity of the screen, every detail matters immensely. Manufacturing quality isn't just about fancy gadgets, though. It's a universal principle. It's crucial for everything from cars and airplanes to clothes and even the food we eat. Imagine a car door that doesn't close right or a shirt with a wonky seam. Not cool, right? So, next time you're using your favorite product, take a moment to appreciate the magic of manufacturing quality and the effort behind it. It's what makes our world go round, ensuring reliability and excellence in everything we use.
Okay, so we know quality is important, but why exactly does it matter so much? Well, first off, good quality means happy customers. When people receive a product that meets or exceeds their expectations, they feel satisfied and valued. People are more likely to buy again from companies that consistently deliver awesome products. This loyalty can drive long-term success for businesses. High quality also means fewer defects, which saves companies time and money in the long run. Efficient production processes lead to fewer mistakes and less waste. No one wants to deal with returns, repairs, or angry customers. These issues can damage a company's reputation and customer trust. But here's the thing. Sometimes, aiming for absolute perfection can actually be a bad thing. Striving for flawlessness can lead to delays and increased costs. Imagine spending months making a single, flawless product. Sounds impressive, right? But it might not be practical. But what if it's so expensive that no one can afford it? High costs can deter potential buyers. That's why companies have to find a balance between quality and cost. They need to ensure their products are both high quality and affordable. They need to make products that are good enough to satisfy customers without breaking the bank. This balance is key to sustainable success. Now, how do companies actually ensure quality in manufacturing? Well, they've got a few tricks up their sleeves. One classic method is visual inspection. Trained professionals literally eyeball products, looking for any flaws or defects. Another common technique is using gauges and measuring tools. Think calipers to check dimensions, scales to measure weight, and even fancy laser scanners for super precise measurements. But wait, there's more. Companies also use statistical process control, or SPC. It sounds complicated, but it's basically a way to track data and look for patterns that might indicate a problem. These traditional methods have been around for ages, and they work pretty well. But as technology advances, new and improved quality control methods are emerging. Maintaining top-notch quality in manufacturing isn't always easy. It requires constant vigilance and attention to detail. It's like trying to build a Lego masterpiece while riding a roller coaster. The process is full of ups and downs. One major challenge is dealing with variation. Consistency is key, but it's hard to achieve. No two pieces of raw material are exactly alike, and even tiny differences can add up. These small variations can lead to significant issues down the line. Human error is another biggie. Even the most skilled workers can make mistakes. We all make mistakes, but in manufacturing, even a small slip-up can have big consequences. A single error can halt production or lead to defective products. That's why training and clear procedures are super important. Proper training ensures that everyone knows their role and how to perform it correctly. Then there's the ever-increasing complexity of products. As technology advances, so do the challenges. Remember those old phones with just a few buttons? They were simple compared to today's devices. Now, smartphones have more computing power than the Apollo missions. This complexity requires advanced manufacturing techniques, More complex products mean more opportunities for things to go wrong. But fear not. With every challenge comes a solution. While these challenges are real, companies are constantly coming up with innovative solutions to keep quality high. From automation to advanced quality control, the industry is always evolving. Pause part 2s. Now that we've discussed the challenges in manufacturing, let's dive into an exciting solution simulation. Imagine being able to test and optimize your manufacturing processes in a virtual environment before even touching the real-world machinery. That's the power of simulation. Simulation allows manufacturers to identify potential issues before they happen. By running virtual scenarios, companies can foresee problems and address them proactively, saving both time and resources. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the future of your production line. But the benefits don't stop there. Simulation also plays a crucial role in employee training. New workers can practice their tasks in a simulated environment, ensuring they are fully prepared for real-world scenarios. This reduces the risk of human error and increases overall efficiency. In an ever-evolving industry where complexity is on the rise, simulation provides a way to stay ahead. It helps manufacturers adapt quickly to changes and continuously improve their processes. With simulation, the sky's the limit. So, while the challenges in manufacturing are significant, the solutions are just as powerful. Embracing tools like simulation can significantly enhance both quality and productivity, paving the way for a brighter, more efficient future in manufacturing. Pause 2s. Now that we've explored the transformative power of simulation in manufacturing, let's address some common questions about this innovative technology. Q1. What is the primary benefit of using simulation in manufacturing? A1. The primary benefit is the ability to test and optimize processes in a virtual environment, reducing the risk of errors and improving efficiency. Q2. How does simulation help in training employees? A2. Simulation provides a safe and controlled environment for employees to practice and learn, ensuring they are well prepared for real-world scenarios. Q3. Can simulation help in identifying potential issues in manufacturing processes? A3. Yes, simulation can help identify potential issues before they occur, saving time and resources. Q4. Is simulation cost-effective for manufacturers? A4. Yes, by reducing errors and improving efficiency, simulation can lead to significant cost savings for manufacturers. Q5. How does simulation contribute to overall manufacturing quality? A5. Simulation enhances manufacturing quality by allowing for thorough testing and optimization of processes, leading to more reliable and efficient production. We hope this Q&A section has answered your questions about the role of simulation in manufacturing. As we've seen, simulation is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way we produce goods, ensuring higher quality and greater efficiency. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of manufacturing innovation.